guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today it's the 11th day of the 40 days challenge. Today I'll be sharing a very yummy sprouted green gram salad. Steam the sprouted green grams for 5 minutes. Now the sprouts are perfectly steamed. Now we'll mix the salad dressing like this. The yummy salad dressing is now ready. Half an onion, 5 cherry tomatoes, 3 bell peppers, green apple, coriander or cilantro, steamed sprouted green gram, and mix these well. Add some boiled potatoes, roasted peanuts for the crunch, and finally the dressing that we just made. Just go ahead and pour it generously. The yummy sprouted green gram salad is now ready. This is my all-time go-to salad. I enjoy it in all seasons and a perfect way to get the required protein and fiber for your body. So this salad is definitely a flavor bomb, guys. It is sweet, tangy, salty, crunchy, whatnot. So do try it and let me know how it turned out, okay? It's yummy and a must try, guys. It is yummy, no doubt. It's a must try and you will not be disappointed by this salad at all. Please do try it. My today's 2 cents is let it be a love, a life to flow. Enjoy this moment and this is your life. For this, you need to be in the moment and live in the moment. Hopefully we can do that, right? Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye-bye.